In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install CapCut on your laptop or your PC. If you find this video guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tech tutorials just like this. CapCut is a powerful and beginner-friendly video editor, and the best part is it's completely free to start using. Let's go ahead and get straight into this. Begin by opening up your laptop or PC and going to the search bar. This is usually at the bottom. But once you get on it, go ahead and tap and hit Microsoft Store and then open this section up. This is pretty much your computer's built-in app store. Once the store opens, go ahead and head to the search bar up at the very top and simply search up CapCut just like so and hit enter. From here, it's going to pop up with a bunch of different options. You should see the CapCut app on here. Go ahead and click on that. And then go ahead and click the Get button, and then an Install button should appear here as well. Go ahead and click the Install button and give it a moment to finish installing, but once it is done, you'll see an Open button. You can launch it right here or find it later by tapping the Search button again and typing in CapCut, or pinning it to your desktop as well. But once it is open, just simply click New Project to start editing your videos right away. If this video tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for even more simple how-tos. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.